Okay. Explain if a CV. Whoa. If a CV doesn't wanna flex. What?
Yeah.
What?
What we did here was we removed all the balls, and then we put it back one by one, and then we're going to feel on each one if there is mobility on the CV joint, because previously it was stuck and it didn't want to move at all. See, so now we still have a swivel here on the middle. As we're putting the balls in, we check for mobility still on the CV.
Also explain. Can you just put it in or?
Yeah, there's pretty much only one way that it can go in. It's very difficult to put it in any other way.
So she said.
But once it's in, it can't come out. Well, it can come out, but just make sure that you put it in the right way. You will be able to see on the outer casing, there's provision for the ball. So you place it on there, then you need to align the middle one, that it also have some sort of room for it to go in, and the center one. So outer, middle, outer circle, inner circle, holies of holies. It fits in all three of them. When you push it back, it needs to complement the other balls that has been set on the inside already. Did you learn today for the first time? But
This is the learning channel.
here we go. So here you can see an engraving. Enough for the ball to go in, enough for the ball to go in on the middle one, and enough for the ball to go in on the center one. So we try them like this. Push him in. Don't want to go in. Now we just have to make a room for him. Come back again. There we go. Place it on the inside. So it fits in the outer casing, in the middle casing, and it's laying in the center groove. Opposite end will almost be out. So if you push it back, there we go. There you got play.
And
So
previously
now
it
I
was
can
super stuff.
Yeah, couldn't move in any direction.
And that's how you fix your stuff a CV joint.
Here we go.
Oops.
I had only anak kamu.
There we got play and movement.